missile car too. It's kind of a flex. Your missile car's a flex. All right, let's get it. The gas? Yeah, I think maybe the fuel pump's not keeping up or something. Oh, I feel, whoa. Focus. All right, two things. I feel so much better. Got some food in my stomach. Also, I finally got a light, so I can't show you guys it, obviously, because it's connected to the camera. Pretty freaking sick. Now we can like film easily at night. This is so freaking good. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Little barbecue action. All sorts of good things. Most of it's we've ate most of it at this point, but I was like so hungry I was just like chowing down and I honestly forgot to film. Okay, so you guys have probably seen the man, the myth, the legend. Hey, focus, there you go. Gare Dorekai, he's very good friends with Russell. I think he's popped up in a couple of the vlogs so far, but we haven't really talked too much because I don't speak Japanese. But he wanted to show me, or I wanted to see his crown. He didn't want to show me. I was like, show me a crown. This is the car he's drifting today. It's freaking sick. Also, you guys should check out Gare Dorekai on YouTube. He has a really big, very popular Japanese YouTube channel. So if any of you can understand Japanese and speak or throw subtitles on, really, really cool. But I want to see this freaking crown because this thing is sick. Okay. Hi. Oh, かっこいい。TD0625D。TD06 英語っぽく。06。あ、はい。06。はい、06。This thing is sick. Oh yeah, there's his channel. Ah, so got it. Oh, and the bride seats. Brid. Or bride. Brid? I gotta start saying brid right. I've always said bride, like a Bakugaijin bride. I gotta say brid. I gotta get it right. This thing is sick. The Royal Saloon. Royal Saloon V. Oh, yabai. So cool. And also, actually, right next to this is a Verosa, which is actually, I've probably never talked to them about them before, but I freaking love these cars. They're so weird looking. They almost look like a spaceship from the front. They're so foreign to me. Oh, wait! Japanese boy! Oh my gosh. They're just having a riot with me on the camera. I'm like, is it cool if I film? They're like, sure, why not? They're freaking sweet. What? So good. Investigate. Purple. Turbo? Purple, こん中も purple. What? Purple. Coolant purple. I don't know what he's saying. This is such a freaking adventure. Yeah, bros, God. They're apparently like so heavy but they come with 1JZs, so that, I don't know, they're just cool. It'd be such a cool like street car. People do try to drift them, and they can drift well. I know they're like, or I've been told that they're like just really heavy, and they're massive. Like look at next to the Crown. I don't know if you guys can really tell, like that's already a big car. That's even bigger.
Wait, I know my car. Question. Open. Okay. 1JZE. Oh. Open. Okay. 1JZ.
There we go.
VVTI. No VVTI.
No VVTI.
JZX90 1JZ.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We've seen all their cars now. It was pretty fun. But I don't know what the plan is for tonight. We may go try Kita, which is North Course in the 350Z. Obviously it's a little sketch with like just completely stock, but we're gonna give it a go. We'll see. I have no idea how GoPro footage will turn out, but I'll throw some GoPros on them. We'll see. So yeah, let's go have some fun. Alright, so my new Tomodachi, my new friend. Yeah, he's got a C35 Laurel with a special motor in it, and he wants to show me. Oh, yabai! Sugoi! Sick! God! That is so tight! A C35 with RB26. And is it stock twins too? Is it, gosh. I need to learn Japanese ASAP. But it's twin turbo. I don't know if it's a stock twins or not, but that's so rad. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of you guys might know this, but like Laurels came with RBs in them. So it's like, this is like a match made in heaven. I love this. This combination is so sick. Thing's freaking sick. This thing's freaking tight. God, everybody's just flexing on me right now. C35 Gamechaski. Hi. Watashi wa
I'm Ebisu Circuit YouTuber.
Oh, hi.
I'm Ebisu Circuit every day drifting. I love drift.
Good.
Yeah, Ebisu Circuit YouTube. Check.
Drifto ga mechaski. Too cool. Alright, tsukareta. I'm tired. I am going to go to the onsen, the hot spring. Check that out. You go naked, so probably shouldn't film that. Unless you guys want me. I love all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. I drove a 350Z A86 for the first time. The S13 second gear broke. It was so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know how we can improve these vlogs. I really want you guys to join me in on this adventure. I love you all, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. All right, so we just got to the onsen, hot spring. That's my new Japanese word of the night. Onsen, onsen. I've heard that before. I just didn't really put two and two together. Wow, this is an adventure, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this adventure with me. I'm trying to document as much as I can and include you guys in on the adventure, because this is freaking wild. I don't know what we're doing right now. I'm just along for the ride. I'm just following everybody.